Seekers. I hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone slept well. I am well rested. Today I want to speak to you about something that I keep hearing this week. This week locally, I keep getting stopped by so many people that know I do this on YouTube for you, asking about recommendations for a cold, what to do for a cold. So I decided to share something with you that I do when I am sick. As you see from the background here, it's freezing. Leaves are dropping. It's raining. It's raining. I'm out here for you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. But when I'm sick with a cold, the very first thing that I do is grab garlic. I grab my garlic immediately. I take garlic 3 times per day. I take it as soon as I wake up. I peel the clove, I crush it, and then I break it up into pieces. If I can, I put it on something and eat it. If it's not time for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I'll put it in my mouth and I'll swallow it. You want to ingest the garlic raw. If you watch my last video regarding garlic, you're familiar with what it does. It works for you like a penicillin. So it's great for helping you get rid of that cold or a flu. Anytime I find sickness, feel sickness or illness coming on, I always reach for garlic. I hope this helps you all out. Make sure you share the video and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Be well. Bye, Remedy Seekers.